Let's check out Amazon's deals for the week. These deals are good this week. We got the Craftsman V20 Power Tool Combo Set, 7 tools, cordless power set with 2 batteries and a charger for $2.99, down from $3.69. DeWalt's Mechanics Toolkit. This is a socket set with 1/4 and 3/8 inch drive, and it does have the screwdriver handle. It's got the Allen wrenches. Very nice set, $64.49, down from $92.25. The V20 Oscillating Tool Kit, multi-tool with blade, sandpaper, battery, and charger for $99, down from $139. This is the 262-piece mechanic tool set with 3 drawers. I have something very similar. I think mine's 230-piece. Super nice set. You will enjoy it. It's very handy to have all that particular sockets and tools at your fingertips. $149, down from $249. Craftsman's V20 Combo Kit, 7 tools for $2.99. Exactly the same as above. Mechanics Tool Kit from Versatrack and Craftsman, 1/4 inch and 3/8 drive, 71 pieces, down to $49.98. Here's a nice DeWalt 3300 PSI gas pressure washer with 5 nozzles, $399.99, down $50. Craftsman screwdriver set. This is the bi-material set, 8 pieces, $14.98, so that is half price. Great deal. Need a basic socket set. Here's your 1/4 inch drive Craftsman, $19.98. They're normally $28.76. Craftsman's Versatrack 1/4 and 3/8 inch drive, 71 pieces, $49.98, down from $69.98. Craftsman's ratcheting screwdriver, 44 pieces, $19.98, down from $31.15, so that's quite a savings on that one. A few Klein tools. You got a Klein impact driver set, 20-in-1 for $26.98, down from $39.98. Also the Klein Tools folding multi-purpose jab saw that cuts drywall, metal, wood, or other surfaces, $26.98, down from $29.98. Klein's multi-bit ratcheting screwdriver, double end impact bit set, very nice set, $21.98, down from $25.98. DeWalt's 20-volt oscillating multi-tool variable. This is brushless. Multi-tool with LED light, shows that it has the battery, $102.89, down from $113.48. Here's a nice 20-volt cutoff tool, tool only. If you have the battery, it's still a great deal, $139.99, down from $219. DeWalt's compound action plier set for $44.99. That's down 30% from the normal $64.02. Super nice set of pliers. Here's Craftsman's 10-piece mechanics tool set with the 72-piece low profile ratchet. This is 3/8 drive, $28.98. Klein slim head ironworker pliers. It says Milker's cushion grip, $38.43, down from $49.99. What else we got? We've got V20 oscillating tool, multi-tool kit from Craftsman, battery and charger included for $99. It's knocking $40 off. This is always a nice set to have around or to have as an extra. Craftsman's V20 Max cordless drill driver and impact, 2 batteries, and a work light for $99. DeWalt's Mechanics Tool Kit, 1/4 3/8 SAE, 108 pieces, got the drill driver as well, and Allen wrenches, and a very nice DeWalt case, $64.49, down from $92.25. Another nice Klein tool offering. This is the Stubby, 12-in-1, 7 bits, 1/4 inch, $23.73, down from $29.98. Another Klein find is the 7-in-1 SAE. This would be the full size, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, half, and 9/16 sockets, $29.97. Very nice DeWalt Tough Series screwdriver set, 8-piece for $39.97. Here's your Craftsman long nose plier set for $12.98, down from $15.98. If you need just that impact driver from Craftsman, here's one with a battery, $59, and it very nice set. It's got the LED light on it. Talked about that. Here's the 230 piece version of the mechanics tool set with a nice drawered case. $129. I believe this is the one I actually own. I love it. Hope you enjoy your holiday. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'm Daryl, 63 and counting. Hope you'll like and subscribe so I can keep bringing this content. I'm available for suggestions. So if you got something you want to see in particular, maybe a tool trial or a do-it-yourself project, let me know. Until the next video, y'all take care.